Hello, everyone. It's me, Miss Hall. And me, Frankie Fox. Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words. We're so glad you could all join in today. Let's begin by reading our learning target. Frankie, will you say it with the students today? Hey, it's not on the wall. I know, I forgot to put it on the wall, so I'll just hold it for now. Can you read it? I can identify specific sounds in words. Great job! Our first activity is going to be identifying rhyming words. I'll say 2 words. If they rhyme, we'll put our hands in the air. If they don't rhyme, we'll just shake our heads no. Is everybody ready? Here's our first 2 words. Damp, lamp. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Good job. Held, jump. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Gulp, help. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Let's do one more set of words. Sulk, hulk. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Awesome job identifying rhyming words. For our next activity, we will identify whether or not 2 words start with the same consonant blend sounds. If they do, we'll put our hands in the air. If they don't start with the same consonant blends, we'll shake our heads no. You ready to give it a try? Listen carefully. Skill, skip. Do they start with the same blend? Yes, they do. Sk. Slam, trim. Do they start with the same blend? No, they don't. String, splash. Do they start with the same blend? No, they don't. Let's do one more. Trick, trap. Do they start with the same consonant blends? Yes, they do. Awesome job identifying if 2 words start with the same consonant blend sounds. Now it's time for us to get our choppers out. Miss Hall and I are going to chop all the sounds in a word. We're going to go like this. You put those sounds together and say what our word is. Is everybody ready? I'm ready. Here's our first word. T. Melt. T. Wilt. Gasp. Gasp. Let's do one more word. Lend. Lend. Awesome job putting all the sounds in a word together. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. That's right. This time I'll say the word. You will repeat it and then chop all the sounds in the word. Here's our first one. Say lift. Now chop lift. Lift. Good job. Say hand. Now chop hand. And. Great job, everybody. Say help. Now chop help. Very good. Let's do one more word, super students. Say dump. Now chop dump. Awesome job breaking a word down into all of its sounds. Now for our next activity, I'm going to say a word. I'm going to tell you the ending chunk to change. And when Frankie does this, you'll say what our new word is. Are you ready to give it a try? All right, here we go. Say got. Change ought to et. Get. Good job. Say big. Change ig to ag. Bag. Good job. Say pen. Change n to ought. Hot. Very good. Let's try one more word. Say fish. Change ish to ein. Fine. Great job changing the rhyme part of a word to make a new word, everybody. For our next activity, we are going to start by saying the rhyme of a word this time. Then I'll tell you the first sound to add. When Frankie claps his paws together, we'll say what our word is. Here's our first one. Say rum. Add d. Drum. Say ray. Add t. Tray. Say raid. Add g. Great. Good job. Let's do one more, everybody. Say low. Add b. Blow. Great job adding a first sound to a rhyme to make a new word. Is everybody ready for our last activity? For our last activity, we are going to say a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. When Frankie does this, you'll say the rhyme of a word that's left. Here's our first one. Say plane. Say it without p. Plane. Say crack. Say it without k. Rack. Say prize. Say it without p. Rise. Very good. Let's do one more word, everybody. Say drink. Say it without d. Rink. Great job taking away the first sound in a word and saying what's left. That's all the time we have for today, super students. Thanks for joining in. And Frankie, thanks so much for coming. You're always so much fun. Have a great day, everybody. I can't wait to come and visit you all again. See you soon.